Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please, if you're new here, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so as to be notified each time there is an upload coming from me. Today, we want to talk about African black soap, Ghana black soap. I'm sure you know that Ghana black soap is different from Yoruba black soap. The difference comes when you're mixing and when you're seeing your effects. Ghana black soap helps better in ingredient additives. For example, if you're adding something for glowing, Ghana black soap will help you such that you're going to add something little, but Yoruba black soap needs more. Like you have to do more, you have to add a lot of things before you are able to see the effects. And Ghana black soap is mild. Yoruba black soap is kind of harsh and it's very bad for a dry skin type. So after this explanation, which black soap will you go for? Today I am making a review on Ghana black soap. This is how it looks like. This is the raw Ghana black soap. It's raw Ghana black soap. This Ghana black soap is like a base. You can't use this on its own and expect to see a good result. And you can't use this as raw as it is. You can only use this after you've pound it using your mortar, or if you have a mixer, a soap mixer, you use it, you mix it very well, pound it, and keep it for 3 days or more for it to ferment. Then you can use it on your skin. But even at that, I don't think it can do much for you. I don't think it can do much for you. Note that this black soap is I am kind of very skeptical about it when it comes to a dry skin person, even though people tell me to be for all skin type. I think this black soap is majorly best for people that have oily skin. But for people that have dry skin, you need to put extra oils, extra things to this soap. But if you are able to put enough ingredients for it to, do its work, you will love it. You just need enough additives for it. You can use this soap to achieve your moisturizing effect. You can use this soap to achieve glowing effects. You can use this soap to achieve a very nice lightening and whitening effect. It all depends on what you put into it. That's why I say it's a very good base. So now I am going to show you the one I have finished mixing so that you see how it looks like after adding your ingredients. This is how it looks like. This one is ready to be used, and the ingredient added here is for glowing effect. You need to mix a lot of things, but it's a very good base. It's what you put inside, it will give you what you want. Like what you put inside to give you exactly what you want. So if you need it for glowing, then you have to add enough things for glowing. Then the result will be maximum. You need it for lightening, but if you need it for lightening and then you're adding things for glowing, don't expect it to lighten you because it won't. It's not magical. If you need it just for moisturizing, maybe you have a dry skin, I need to moisturize your skin, then you need to add enough things to moisturize your skin. That's why I term it a base, a very good base, a natural base. So this soap, if you need it, you check my website. For some time now, I've not really posted enough because I've been trying to set up my website to help those in Nigeria to be able to get most of the stuff I mentioned here. For example, the links I used to put below are all Amazon links, and I go there, I see a lot of clicks, and I see that it's people that are coming from Nigeria, and I needed to set up website so that you can order from here. You can order from Nigeria, and if you're outside, you can order from the Amazon link. So I'm going to indicate Nigeria and outside the country. So if you are in Nigeria, you can order the black soap. So you just go on the website. I'm going to indicate black soap for glowing. You can order that one. It comes in 250 ml, please. It comes in 250 ml, and you see the price is tacked to it. But just know that you are going to get the effect you need. Just be sure of what you want and then go for it. That's all you need to do. Then when you order it, you're going to get what you want. And this black soap works excellently. Like if you need something to clear off your scars, clear off your dark spots, clear off your acne, anti-aging effect, all those things. It's just to add the right ingredient to it to achieve whatsoever you need for your skin. So it's perfect. You can also get the raw Ghana black soap. If you already have your secret ingredient, if you have ingredients you know on your own, you can get the raw Ghana black soap and mix it. Still check the website I'm going to put in the description down below. You can get your raw original Ghana black soap. What I promise is originality. You're going to get the original. There are a lot of fakes in the market. That's why I still insist you get it from the website, so that you won't go and buy fake and you mix all the ingredients you have, nothing happens. Rather, it ends up burning your skin, especially those that have sensitive skin. Don't try it. So it's best for you to buy where you are sure. You can get it from the market, you can get it from any organic beauty shop, but just have it at the back of your mind that there are a lot of fake Ghana black soap in the market. So you should just be sure of what you are getting, so that whenever you add anything to it, you will not waste your money in buying ingredients and adding to your black soap and ends up it can rubbish you, it can burn your skin. This thing, it has its good side and the bad side, and the good side and the bad side depends on you. You are the only one that decides for it. It's just a base, it's just there. Whatever you do to it, that's how it moves. That's how it works. So my darling, get this black soap, either the already mixed one due to what you want, or the raw, and mix it on your own and see the effect it's going to have on your skin. If you're looking for something to glow your skin, this is it. Looking for something to lighten your skin, this is it. If you're looking for something to brighten, whiten your skin, this is it. If you only need the moisturizing effect of it, this is it. It's a very good base. So those that have acne, if you have acne problem, you can make use of black soap and add acne ingredients, anti-acne ingredient to your black soap. Use it in bath. It will clear your acne, it will clear your dark spots, your blackheads, whatever problem you have on your skin. This can give a solution to it. It all depends on what you add to it. So try this soap and give me the feedback in the comment section. Please endeavor to subscribe, share this video to your friends and loved ones. Help me grow this channel, and make sure to buy from the best blog and not go and buy the fake and end up regretting. See you in my next video. Bye.